Hi guys, my name is Alina, and you are watching your YouTube channel, Health Support Alina. Guys, in this video I may be giving you an example of a male Martin Hurst in relation to reducing belly fat. How he saved his wife's life, so let's get started. Marge Hurst further explained his wife. My name is Morgan Hurst. I'm no doctor. I'm no nutritionist. I'm no guest lecturer at Yale University. You know what I am? I'm you. A real person. How I saved my wife's life with a 5-second hack that kills food cravings and melts 62 pounds of raw fat. She exercises every morning. Jogging, push-ups, squats. She eats a healthy breakfast. Oats, eggs, spinach. And dinner. Chicken, broccoli, rice. She diets. Keto, vegan, paleo. Just as the doctor ordered. She's tired. She aches. She's hungry. Exhausted, she sleeps. But every morning, the scales never change. She tries to ignore it, but for my wife Grace, she is a prisoner of her belly fat. A 46-year-old mother of 3, trapped inside her own body. Her shoulders slumped as the realization set in. She was going to be overweight for the rest of her life. Grace looked up at me, and in tears she uttered 5 words I don't think I'll ever forget. I can't live like this, she said. I've never felt so helpless in all my life. I was angry at the doctors whose diet and exercise has done nothing. Angry at God for letting this happen to the woman I loved. Angry at myself for not being able to do anything to help. But I couldn't. I didn't know how. So why am I sharing this story with you today? What happened next is very painful for me to tell. But it forced me to go on a journey that changed everything in my life, and the life of tens of thousands of women and men around the world. That led to my discovery of a 5-second water hack from a tiny Malaysian island. One so powerful it would completely transform my 46-year-old wife's life. Support a healthy heart, arteries, and blood sugar levels. And after years of failed diets and feeling hopeless, melt away 2 pounds overnight, and in just a matter of weeks. Lose 62 pounds of raw ugly fat from all over her belly, arms, face, hips and thighs. Going from this to this. Relieving her of the debilitating feelings of stress, anxiety and depression that were ruining her health. While restoring the energy, hope, sex drive, and zest for life that she thought she would never enjoy again. Leaving her doctor speechless, and every overweight woman and the man desperate to know her secret. You see, despite what you've been told, the real cause of your increasing belly and body fat has nothing to do with how much you diet, starve yourself, or deprive yourself of your favorite foods. How much grueling exercise you do. How much sugar or carbohydrates you eat. Your thyroid, hormones or metabolism. Or even genetics or the aging process. That's what they want you to believe. That you're broken. That it is your fault. But it's not your fault. Instead, it's all down to this. A dangerous foreign compound swimming in your bloodstream right now. That is forcing your body to store more and more fat. That scientists have found is abundant in every woman and man, especially those over 40 years of age who are finding it impossible to lose and keep fat off their body. And according to new groundbreaking research by a team at Stirling University, Scotland, is the real root cause of why we gain weight, and America's obesity crisis. But fear not, by using my discovery of this simple forbidden 5-second water hack which I'm about to reveal on this short page. Known only to the inhabitants of a small, barely populated Malaysian island, 8,900 miles from home. You can quickly target this dangerous foreign compound and stop your body from storing excess weight. A truth hidden by the weight loss industry whose entire business relies on you never losing a single pound. And yes, This discovery has nothing to do with ab crunches, fasting, counting calories, dieting, or even gastric bypass surgery and extreme cardio routines like CrossFit, P90X or insanity. Instead, it's just this simple Malaysian 5-second water hack once a day. Grace still ate all her favorite foods like brownies, pizza, cheesecake, and ice cream. In fact, eating these foods is recommended. This 100% safe and natural 5-second ritual act turned my wife's life around and gave her back her lean, sexy and stress-free body is something too important to hide. And until now that's been the problem. This simple hack. If you want to get more information in this video, then go to the link given in the description. Please subscribe, like and share the channel and also turn on the bell icon. That's all in today's video. See you again in the next video. Till then.